Ever feel like your iPhone has a hidden superpower you're not quite using? Well, today we're unleashing it. I'm talking about Siri, your incredibly helpful personal assistant. Whether you're rocking the brand new iPhone 16, a powerful 16 Pro Max, or any iPhone on the latest iOS, I'm going to show you exactly how to activate Siri and even the Hey Siri command, making your life a whole lot easier. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll be a Siri master. Alright, let's dive right in. First thing you want to do is open up your settings app. Once you're in, scroll down a bit until you see an option that says Apple Intelligence and Siri. Hint: if you own an iOS device that is not capable of Apple Intelligence, it will just say Siri. Just tap on Talk to Siri. Right now you'll probably see that it's set to off. To get Siri up and running, select that option. You'll then see a screen pop up, and it will walk you through the activation process. It's super simple, just tap continue. Siri, how's the weather? Hey Siri, send a message. Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. Siri, play some music. And there you have it, Siri is ready. So now that Siri is active, how do you actually use it? You got a couple awesome options. Press and hold. Simply press and hold the side button on your phone and Siri will honestly pop up and ready for your command. Or the magic phrase. Just say Hey Siri, your iPhone will listen and Siri will activate automatically. This is incredibly convenient when your hands are full. Once Siri is listening, you can issue any command you want, from setting alarms to finding nearby restaurants. Don't stop here. Take control of your privacy. Check out this video where we reveal 6 iPhone settings you need to turn off right now.